Hi guys, and welcome to Naga Masala Cooking Show. Today we're going to cook Bombay Pilly Pilly Potato. Okay, let's roll tape. Okay, to make Bombay potato, we're going to need a tub of Naga Masala, a kilo of boiled potatoes, red potatoes probably the best, and about 8 pieces of these sweet chilies. They add a nice sweetness to the curry. First, what we have to do, chop these up before we add the Naga Masala. Okay, I've cut the potatoes. You see they're not too big and they're not too small. And with these chilies, what I've done is I've not cut them right through. I've left the stalk on here. And I've just cut these one way, then one way like that. That way, at least when it's all cooking in there, the juices get in, and of course these chilies get cooked as well. Okay, so next is we take the tub of Naga Masala, in this case mild, pour this into the pan. Now what we also want to do is we want to add 1 tub of water. And you'll understand why. So that's the water there. Pour that in. Okay, we mix that up. So what we want to do now is kind of bring this to the boil. As you can see, everything is now mixed beautifully. So let's give this about 5-10 minutes. Okay, this has been cooking away for about 3 to 4 minutes now, and it's kind of ready for the ingredients now to be put in. So, and also it's thickened up a bit as well, because although I put in a tub of water, this will saturate. So let's put the potatoes in first. Gently put that in. That's a kilo of potatoes. And now the chilies. So this now has to cook for around 10-15 minutes. We are about 5 to 10 minutes into cooking this. And as you can see, everything is, the water is saturating, the potatoes are beautifully, getting coated there. What you will probably need to do is add just a little salt. The salt content in our Naga Masalas are quite low, so you just want to add a pinch. And also, if you do have any garam masala at home, you just want to add just a pinch of that as well. We just mix all that up. I'll tell you one thing, this is mouth-watering stuff what's going on here. And what we're going to do, we're going to cover that and cook it for another 10 minutes. Alright, so this has now been cooking for about 15-20 minutes now. And this is basically ready. As you can see, everything is cooked in. Now throughout the whole process, you're going to want to continue to stir. And you can see now all the potatoes that were boiled, and the kilo of potatoes that were boiled has now kind of become a little bit mushy as well, which is perfect. The chilies have all softened up beautifully. The juices have gone inside. Now unfortunately, when I bought these sweet chilies, the stalks were not on there. So if you can find these sweet chilies with the stalks already on there, that'd be great, because you can just pick them up and eat them straight. So this curry is now made and ready for serving. So there you have it, folks, Bombay potato, or Pilly Pilly Bombay potato. And the last thing you want to add is a bit of coriander. And that's it. And it's ready to eat with rice or naan bread, whatever you like, or as it is. Well then, that's it for now. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Your support will encourage us to make more future content. Until next time now, ciao for now.